everybody, it's Minal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm coming at you barefaced because I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine. So today I'm gonna be emphasize that this is by no means my daily skincare routine. I only do this once a week at night. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first step is cleansing. The product that I'm using, it's from the Korean brand called Baking Powder Pore Cleansing Foam. The reason why I love this product is because it gets the job done and remove all the dirt and impurities off of your face without leaving it dry. I don't use this cleanser on daily basis. I only use Pond's, the blue one, the pimple fighting one. And I bought this cleanser from a very beautiful Korean shop in Japan. I don't remember the name because वो बिल्कुल भी मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्योंकि वो कोरियन या जापानीज में लिखा हुआ था. So I am using face massager. I love face massagers so much. I don't remember the brand, but I bought this face massager from London. So now the products that I'll be mentioning in this video are part of my skincare routine, but I do have other products too, and it's just depend on what my skin feeling that day. If it's dry or if it's oily, I would just use the products accordingly. So the products that I use in this video are according to what my skin was feeling that day. Anyways, after I wash my face, I pat dry my face with clean towel. You can use tissues as well. So now second step is face mask. For face mask, I'm gonna go in with this Titsururi. I don't know how to pronounce. It's clay pack Okinawa sea clay. I also bought this clay mask from Japan. Now the thing that I love about this face mask is that it purifies my skin very nicely and it cleans my pores too. So after 10 minutes, I just rinse that off with some lukewarm water. Now I usually prefer to brush my teeth before my skincare routine, but oops, I forgot. So third step that I went into is toner, and I am using Botanical Refreshing Toner with aloe extract. It's for normal to combination skin, and guys, I totally agree with it. If you guys want a toner in your life, I would highly recommend you guys. I'm gonna be using Estee Lift White Bright Lotion. It helps to create translucent, bright and moisture skin. It has hyaluronic acid, seaweed extract. So last I'm using Estee Lift White Cream Moisturizer. It improves skin firmness and elasticity, enhanced with apricot extract to increase skin cell turnover rate and boost production of hyaluronic acid. So guys, this is it for the finished skincare routine. I really hope you guys love it. If you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.